What's up everybody, this is Yair and today we are going to draw Super Saiyan 3 Goku. Okay, back with another tutorial. This time we are going to draw Super Saiyan 3 Goku from Dragon Ball Z. And before we'll get started, make sure to draw a perfect square. Each side is 4 centimeters. So without further ado, let's get to it. First, we are going to start by drawing Goku's face. We'll do that by using 5 lines. And then we are going to draw his hairline, just like that. Next, right from the middle of the square, we are going to draw Goku's eyes. We'll start with his 2 lumps above the eyes. And to create the eye, we'll use 3 lines, 2 diagonals and the curve underneath. We'll add the iris and the pupil. And of course the famous cheek marks. Next we're going to draw the nose by using 4 lines. And then with a very tiny gap, we are going to draw the mouth and indicate his chin. Awesome, next we'll draw his famous spike of hair from the front. We'll cover the eye a bit just to make it look more cool. And then we are going to draw the ears. We'll start by drawing the shape of the ears, and after that add the details inside, and just like always use the square to keep the right proportions and the right symmetry. Awesome, so next we are going to draw the torso. We'll start by drawing his trap muscles. Then we'll mark the center of the torso using this guideline. And now we are going to draw a rough sketch of the shape of the torso. That's a rough shape of his shirt. Then a rough shape of the arms. And of course the shirt underneath. Awesome, now we are going to add some muscles, so we'll start with the chest muscles. The neck muscles. Then we are going to refine the shirt by adding some nice creases all over. We'll do the same for the shirt underneath. And then we are going to draw his arms. We'll start with the shoulder muscles, then the bicep, and finally the tricep. And we'll do the same for the right side. Awesome, now we are going to draw his majestic long hair. We'll start with this guideline and then simply add the rest of the spikes. We can do that by using 2 to 5 lines, just spreading them all around. And occasionally I'm gonna make some adjustments, so just do the same. This is the drawing process. Next, we are going to add some lines in the direction of the shape, just to add some detail. And I'm gonna make the hair a bit longer on the top. And also add 2 spikes on the right side. Awesome, next I'm gonna do some adjustments to the face and to the chest area. I just want to make him a bit more buff. Awesome, so now it's time for the inking process. For that you can use a black pen or a black colored pencil. Just make sure to hold the pencil closer to the tip, that way you will have much more control. And of course, rotate the page so you can use your NHM, your natural hand movement, and just go all over the lines by pushing or by pulling lines. Awesome, once it's done, it's time for the shading process. But before, we are going to color Goku's eyes by using a blue-green tone. And as you can see, I'm leaving a tiny blank area on the far left to create a highlight. So now we are going to mark all the shaded areas for this drawing. This is a process that is called cell shading. It's what they do in 2D animation back in the day and also now in the digital era. Once I marked all the shaded areas, the shading process will be much faster, so we are going to start with the darkest areas. For that I'm holding the pencil much closer to the tip, that way I can apply more pressure and therefore I will get more lead and the color will appear darker. Next I'm gonna hold the pencil at the center, that way I can apply less pressure, which means that I will get a brighter tone of gray. And of course I'm shading with the direction of the creases, with the direction of the shape. Finally, we'll hold the pencil closer to the eraser, which will enable us to put less pressure and therefore we'll get a brighter tone of gray that will be the brightest tone. Awesome, so we're going to do the same process for the rest of the areas. So a quick reminder, we'll start with the darkest tone, then moving on to the mid-tone and finally the brightest tone. Awesome, next we'll shade the hair. We'll start with the darkest tone just like before, and this time we are not going to color the brightest tone. We'll start with the mid-tone, shading it just like I explained before. Then we use the finger to blend the mid-tone, thus creating the brightest tone. It's gonna be a brighter tone of gray. We'll do the same process for his skin tone. Lastly, if you want to get a nice highlight, you can use your eraser and erase some of that lead from his hair. And we are done, everybody. This is how you draw Super Saiyan 3 Goku from Dragon Ball Z or Dragon Ball Super or Dragon Ball Legends or Dragon Ball Super Saiyans of the Ultra Universe or whatever you guys want. Please let me know what you think about this drawing in the comment section, and make sure to like this video and subscribe if you're new. I upload new drawing tutorials every week. That's it for today. Thanks a lot for watching. Keep being awesome as always, and I'll see you on the next video. very soon. Peace!